Looking for a simple way to find business leads without spending hours on research? Meet LazyLeadz, an AI-powered lead generation tool available on AppSumo. In this video, I'll break down what it is, what it does, and whether it's worth grabbing. Let's dive in. What is LazyLeadz? LazyLeadz is designed to make lead generation quick and easy. No fancy CRM needed, no steep learning curve. You just type in what you're looking for, like marketing agencies in New York, and boom, LazyLeadz pulls up real-time business leads with verified contact info. It's basically a search engine for B2B leads. Key features. Here's what makes LazyLeadz stand out. AI-powered search that scrapes the web in real time for fresh business contacts. Filters for industry and location to get hyper-targeted results. Lead export as CSV for easy outreach. A Chrome extension for quick access while browsing. And yes, it integrates with HubSpot, MailChimp, and custom APIs, which is great for automation. Pricing and deal. LazyLeadz is currently on AppSumo with a lifetime deal starting at $59. Each plan gives you a set number of exports and daily search limits. If you're worried it's too good to be true, no stress, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's totally risk-free to try. Pros and cons. Super easy to use. Accurate, up-to-date results. One-time payment, no subscriptions. But on the downside, the export limits can be a bottleneck if you're scaling fast. And while it's solid for basic lead gen, it's not as advanced as something like Apollo or ZoomInfo. Final verdict. If you're a freelancer, agency, or small business owner looking to boost your outreach, LazyLeadz is definitely worth a look, especially at this lifetime price. Fast, simple, and surprisingly effective. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more reviews. And let me know in the comments, would you try LazyLeadz? Link in the description if you want to check it out.